Hello everybody and welcome to BTC AI price prediction. My name is Predrag Danicic and in today's video we will see what is happening with Bitcoin price in the last week, what we can expect in the next week, in near future, in medium future and so on. So let's get started. First of all, let's see a weekly chart. As you can see, we had a really nice green candle. We were almost 9% up and amplitude, yeah, I think it was around 10% or 12%, I guess. But we were still unable to gain, as you can see, we were still unable to gain all losses from previous week. This candle is smaller than previous week candle, obviously. We are missing about 2%. Last week we started at 62.5. Now we are at 61,000 and I'm guessing we are finishing this week in half an hour. So this is somewhere we will end this week. Let's see one more thing on this chart. Moving average, simple. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. Simple moving average for 20-week moving average is around 60. Just a second. Please, today, thank you. 20. Okay, 20-week moving average is around $65.5 thousand. Next week it will be, I guess, slightly lower. Let me just check. No, it will be still higher. This was 20 weeks ago, so it will go slightly up. So, and 8-week moving average is lower. It is not 5, 8. 8-week moving average is around 64.3 thousand. So let's just say that highlighter, somewhere here are those two moving average and they will stay somewhere there in next week or two. Let's move now to the daily chart. I want to show you something else there. We will not need this moving average simple anymore. And what I wanted to show you here. Here I would like to show you something that we are at $61,000. If you notice, actually maybe it will be even better visible at 4-hour chart, I guess. Yeah, 4-hour chart is even better. We are around at $61,000. This area was previously big support. It was big support here, 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 and here. Now this area is turning into resistance. If I'm guessing, if I have to guess, I would guess that next week we will go up either to this area or to this area, and we would get somewhere there rejected. I'm definitely not expecting that we will climb above this top here of 71,000, and I'm definitely not expecting that we will see new all-time high. As you can see, we had lower low, that's all-time high, and always the lower low since then. Lower low, then this was lower than this is lower than this. So let's remove all drawings. We are almost done here, but my point is we can either get rejected here or we can go to that 65,000 that I mentioned before and get rejected there. Where we are going to get rejected, I don't know, but I'm expecting one more capitulation like this one, actually one more capitulation like this one or like this one. For now, we had lots of liquidations of shorts and this is what is pushing price up. I don't believe that at some point German will sell all their Bitcoins. Everybody will yell that yes, we are going up, but matter of fact is that we simply don't have new buyers in the system in order to push price higher. And that's it. like if we had new buyers, if we had new people to buy all this stuff, then we would not wait for new all-time high for more than 3 months. Let's move quickly to, one more thing, Bitcoin wisdom. I would also like to point out that this week, liquidity this week, volume of this week is lower than previous week. It doesn't mean a lot, but still, it means something. It doesn't mean a lot because they are almost the same liquidities, but still, it means something. As I said, I bought some of at 58, I think I mentioned in previous video, and something at 55. I put total of 10% of my portfolio into the Bitcoin on those levels, but I decided to do nothing yet, and I decided not to buy anymore. I wanted to DCA over time every week, but because this week went so much up, I decided to do nothing and I will just wait. Let's check quickly Bitcoin dominance. Okay, market cap, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin is, as you can see, it went below. Sorry. It went below this line that I drew some time ago. And it is now struggling to get above it. I'm hoping still that it will get to those 57.4, which is actually here, but it is possible that it will not get there, because take a look about Bitcoin dominance. This is COVID capitulation, March 8th of 9th of March. This was COVID capitulation 2020. What Bitcoin did back then? It went up, but this was a rally. Let me just zoom out, actually. I will show you. It's better when it is zoomed out. This is immediate rally after Bitcoin capitulation. Then it went again up, completely went up properly. This was rallied, I think, to 11,000 or something. Then, actually, Bitcoin had a period of several months when it did nothing. And from this point on, it started going up. So my thoughts here is that there is high possibility that Bitcoin falls down and gets one more capitulation. And as you can see, it does essentially nothing. It does essentially nothing, like Bitcoin dominance doesn't move during this capitulation. And then it can move slowly. If Bitcoin goes, into some rally, dominance will go up. But essentially, my idea is when Bitcoin, I changed my idea. Before I was thinking that Bitcoin should go at least to 60% here. Before I was thinking that Bitcoin should go at least to 60% in order for me to consider buying alts. But as you can see, let me just zoom it in properly. Okay, just a second. My apologies. Let me just, okay. And I will just remove drawings. So in last 3 months, Bitcoin was unable to put new high in dominance. And as you can see, it is putting lower lows. Partially of this is responsible Ethereum, because Ethereum EFT was approved and Ethereum had nice rally against Bitcoin at some point recently. But I still think that now is not that bad situation to buying alts. I was actually considered buying alts, Uniswap, Avalanche, and Polkadot, each of them for about 4% of portfolio. But because of this Bitcoin rally of almost 10% during this week. I decided, and those alt almost followed Bitcoin. I am still expecting that we will see lower lows and on alts and on Bitcoin, so my decision was to do nothing yet. With my actual portfolio, with my biggest part of the portfolio, I have some small part of portfolio for trading. They're trading, but I'm not successful there, so it doesn't really matter. I will just mention the script, AI script that I built, but I highly disagree with that script right now. Just enter, okay, information, nope, trading script. After training results, okay. As you can see, this script is predicting 81%. It is extremely bullish at this time, at this moment. This script is trying to predict what will be price of Bitcoin in 1 month. Will it be higher or lower than current price? And currently is extremely bullish, which I highly disagree with it. It is possible that it exactly 30 days from now it will be slightly higher than 59,000, but I don't believe it enough in order to put my money, invest my money into crypto. So, but essentially it doesn't really matter. I will let it run for some time. We will see how many times it was correct or how many times it was wrong. At the end of it actually printed 4 correct days, 4 or 5 correct days recently, but we will see at the end of the year was it correct or not. I will not babble about it. I am talking about it on every of my videos, and it's always the same story, so I will not repeat this one. I will skip that part for now. Anyway, that's it from me. In retrospective, I am staying bearish. I think that we will get rejected and we will get pullback either after, either in this resistance. We will not break this resistance, and I definitely don't expect that we will break above 20-week moving average. If we break it 70,000, I think it's, if we reach 70,000, I will probably sell everything that I bought so far. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. My name is Predrag Danicic. If you like what you are seeing, please subscribe. And that's all for now. Goodbye.